Hey there, Davers! Welcome to the 200th and final episode of the Daily DAV. Just want to say it's been a pleasure creating these daily updates for you, and thank you for tuning in and to all of your support. Next week we'll start creating the new weekly show to bring you more exciting news and updates on our development. And so for the 200th time, let's see what the team has for you today.
DailyDAV number 200 and the last one before we move to the new weekly action-packed format. I'm currently flying to Hong Kong, where I'm going to meet a few Chinese companies, among them one of the most well-known and largest Chinese conglomerates. We're going to talk about the DAV, transportation infrastructure, and how it potentially applies to China.
Hey guys, so it's the last day of the dailies, and it's also the end of the week, and we've got the Gantt chart here, and we're still on plan. We're finishing the week with almost everything ready. Next week we're going to work on the documentation of the project. And as for me, I'm almost finished with doing the spell checking on the CI. It's probably going to be finished today. So let's hear the team for the last time.
Hi, so today I've started to update the SDK, so in case it will run on browser, it will send requests to the API instead of directly communicate with Kafka.
Yeah, so yesterday I implemented the design changes. And today I'm creating tests for them and make all of that work, and that's it.
I'm continuing to shoot emails to contacts from last week in Germany and continue to work on the ride-hailing product design. I'm meeting Tal today to go over it and hopefully pass it on to our designer so it can be ready next week for when the guys here will finish working on the SDK so that they can immediately start working on this decentralized ride-hailing app. Yay! Yeah. This is it, guys. This is the last DailyDAV.
Thank you.
I'm doing it for the last time.
Yes, there you go.
See you guys.
There you go.
Hey there, Davers. So, today I had a couple of meetings regarding our ride-hailing project and progress of the team this week. Right now I'm going over some legal documents, and I will be spending the rest of the day coding an adapter which will connect our new SDK to the code developed at the California Maritime University to control their autonomous boats. So that should be a lot of fun. I'll see you next time.
Hey Davers! Happy 200th edition of the Daily DAV. It's a pleasure doing these. The weekend started here in our office, but I did work over the weekend. I had two excellent calls with two Canadian drone-as-a-service providers. These companies are really excited about the DAV and the DAV protocol, so me and John issued two new MOUs. We'll see how that will unfold. I'm also helping Lior, supporting his efforts in Germany from last week, also issuing new MOUs. And that's about it. I'm updating my CRM for all these outbound communications, and that's it. Have a great day. Bye.
Hi guys, currently I'm working on business models and the commercial side of freight aggregators, and seeing how this can work with the DAV freight aggregation API. And that's it for my daily DAV, and I'll see you soon on the weekly DAV. Bye bye.
Hey everybody, Joe Pardo. Welcome to the last and final Daily DAV. I want to take a moment on this one just to say thank you to our audience for always tuning in and listening and hearing what everyone here at the DAV team is up to. It's much appreciated. We would be nothing without our community. Thanks everybody, and have a great day.
Hi everyone. Today I am gearing up to be working remotely for the next 2 weeks. So I'm putting together the social media plan for the next couple of weeks and reaching out to any community members and contributors from whom we're still missing some information. Plus, of course, making sure that everything is organized and in place. Today is also our very last Daily DAV. We're moving to weekly, as I'm sure everyone is telling you. So we're excited about the new format and can't wait to see you there.
Hi guys. Today is this great sunny summer day, and today I'll finish first part our illustration in new amazing 3D style. After that I'll make sketch next illustration and I'll start drawing it. In this summer beautiful day we celebrate the 200 Daily DAV. Have a nice day and see you!